would like to do a review about this shoes, Matrix 1 FreeLock. It's totally nice. I love the color. I love the materials. I love the way it doesn't have shoelaces. This is pretty much like a snowboard boot to me. I love the bottom piece. It's really soft. I love the entire shoes pretty much. It's just really soft. One thing that I really like it has two options of inserts. It has an extra large and a large size, and it will help to get your feet. Fits perfect on the shoe. So as soon as you put them in, just pop this thing in, twist it, and it's ready to go. It feels really comfortable. They're super light shoes. It's totally awesome. I like the way it feels. Really strong shoes. Do the same thing, just pop them in, twist it. I live in Newcastle, Colorado. I do snowboard on winter, and this is pretty much the same system for the snowboard boots. And I totally love it. I like the way it looks. I like the materials. I mean, it's totally comfortable. I got these shoes like a month ago, a little over a month ago. I wore these shoes like probably 5, 6 times already, and it feels great. The inside is really soft. It's very flexible. I totally recommend it to you. Perfect feeding shoes. It's really, really nice. It's very comfortable. It fits perfect. Thank you very much.